Okay, check this out. Email marketing, money making. How would you like to make money by building a list with email marketing, money making strategies? And you can do it with this really good program and this autoresponder that I'm going to show you here in a few seconds. So sit back and relax and let's learn how to make money by building an email list and segmenting that list as well. My name is Adam Shelton and welcome to the video today. Now, if this is your first time here, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. We love to have you for you to get up-to-date information of building your brand, building your social media presence, and your influence. And don't forget to hit that notification bell when I do video just like this. Now, you know what time it is. Let's go ahead and dive into the content. I'm going to show you my screen in the program where you can get started. And right below this video, you can go ahead and get started with your free 14-day free trial. You can go ahead and build your list, your email list. Having an email list is one of the most important things you can have in an online business and even an offline business as well. So let me go ahead and show you this right now. Now, this is called Aweber. It's an email autoresponder. It's an email autoresponder that I use on a daily basis of building my email list and sending value, offers, and different things to my subscribers. And once again, right below this video, I do have a 14-day free trial. You can try it out and you can go ahead and take advantage of the opportunity because it's 14-day free trial. So make money, email marketing. How does that work? Well, let's go ahead and log in. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do is log in. Now, if this is your first time you're at Aweber, you want to go ahead and do the sign up. So click on the sign up there and you fill out all the information, your name, your email address, phone number, all that jazz. So we can go ahead and log in. I'm going to go right to the actually emailing part to skip it right here before I can show you. So this is the dashboard of the Aweber software email autoresponder. And right here shows it says I have 4,348 subscribers. So I got 4,348 subscribers. I can email them at any particular time. Now, you want to know about the email marketing, money making? Well, it's not just in the list. It's how you send the value, how you work the leads in your list. So it's how you do it. That's when the money comes in, how you work the list. And I will show you that in a few minutes. So these are the scheduled broadcasts that I have going out. Now, these Adam primary lists, these are to customers that's clicked on my actually link in the past. So I'm only sending emails to people that's actually interested in my actually offer. You see what I'm saying? So basically, I'm sending emails only to this list here that you see, that people that's actually interested. It's not all 4,348. It's about half of those, because other halves are not necessarily interested in that offer. So you have to go ahead and send value to your subscribers to find out if they're interested or not. And one of the best ways you can do it if they click on your previous emails. So all these emails are going out. They all scheduled out for the month. So I did this the other day. So they're going out each and every single time on this month. Now, this is the stats I have. I was telling you about the 4,344. Those are subscribed members on our list. We have 2 people that's unsubscribed. That's okay, because the whole point of building a list is building it on a daily basis. Everybody may not be suited for your list, but you want to give people the opportunity to subscribe or even unsubscribe as well. Someone subscribed yesterday. So let me show you how I would do it in terms of managing my list. So here you go. I'm going to go to drafts. I like to go to drafts because all the drafts has all your previous emails that you have already. Now, I'll make an example here. This is an example email right here. Let me go one here. So this is an email right here. So let me click on this right now. So I'm going to send an email out. I'm going to show you only to people that's actually clicked on my previous emails. Those are the ones that's interested in this offer. And I'll show you. So this is the email I'm sending to them. It's basically, are you coming? I have the most important post you'll read today. It's helping them basically learn how to build a business online. And I have a quiz for them to fill out. So it shows it right here. They'll click on there and it's a quiz for them to fill out. So make sure when you send up an email, you design for the actually people that's interested in your offer. So you may have to do that. So I've already crafted this email, and I'll show you that this is the email that I'm sending out. And actually header here, actually the header, I have it where it's personalized to the email. So it'll say the email address and actually say, are you coming? So that's actually the header, the name of the actually email that I'm sending to them, because I want to get their attention. Make sure this is an attention getter that gets people's attention to pick up your email. You just don't want to say, hey, I have an email. You want to get someone's attention. Are you coming? Click here. Are you ready for this? Something that gets people interested to click on the email, because that's the most important thing of them clicking on the email. So I can preview the actually email, and this is what it looks like if you go ahead and do it. So if I click on here, I've got a hyperlink that goes actually to a quiz. So if I click there, it shows them the quiz. You see that? So it'll take a free quiz to qualify them in the mind of the millionaire mindset. Do you have one? Something, a simple free quiz. At this time of need, I definitely want to give people, that opportunity to see that they qualify for it. Just to see if they qualify for it is a list of questions that they have to fill out. And then at the end of it, it's an offer for them to continue with the program. So this is what I'm going to send out to them. This is just an example. I preview it. Over here, I also can send it like a test email to myself by clicking here, and I can send a test email. But I won't send a test email, but I just wanted to show you that you can do that. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to the editor, and then I'm going to, that's a picture here. I'm just going to say to the top, Adam Shelton. I'm just going to put my name there. That's a picture of me and my wife. And then I can change the actually font size to 14 to make sure that matches. I think it's 14. I think it's 16. So all of it's 16. This is an email here, and it's a basic email. Just a basic email to the point, a nice little evening email for them to go ahead and open. So I'm going to save this. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and get ready to send this email. So it says schedule a broadcast, or I can send this email right now. So I'm going to schedule the email. So there's the list of you. This is what I'm talking about, of segmenting your list and sending value out to people that's actually interested in your email, and to get your open rates even more higher if you're sending people that's interested in your email. So you said, so the first one here, I can change the subject line if I needed to by clicking there, but I don't have to. It says, do you want to share this message? I can share this actually on social media by clicking on edit and allow me to do that. But I'm not gonna do that because I can post it on Facebook or Twitter. So I'm just going to show you, you can do that by clicking on connect to a new account on collect a new account. It's really cool though, because basically your social media subscribers can actually get this same type of email, which is really, really cool. So I'm gonna leave that blank. The next one, it says, who should receive this message? Well, this is what I'm gonna click on. So right now it says primary list. I'm going to take the primary list and I'm going to go to here. It says send to subscribers in this segment. I'm going to go down to, here's the thing. I can check any of these boxes here that I segment. I'm going to click on Heal VIP. I'm click on Heal VIP because all of those members has clicked on a previous email of mine. So I'm going to show you that. And I'm going to show you how you can create your own segment. And so I'm only going to send it to these subscribers. Apply, or let me show you. You also can send it to a list as well, a clickers list. So I'm going to do clickers list as well. Adam's clickers list and Heal VIP, because those are the two areas that people has clicked on my emails before and they're interested in this offer. So apply there. It says immediately. So I can schedule this out anytime. I can say, let's send this tomorrow. So let me go ahead and send this tomorrow, and I'll send it at 3 p.m. Let's just make an example. Tomorrow. I hit apply, So it says tomorrow, 3 p.m. I can add tag automations if I want to by clicking on edit. And then I can actually say, if I can pretty much go even more to more segmentation. So I can say if a subscriber opens this email, then I can send them to a whole new tag. So I can say, okay, if subscribers open this email, I'm gonna say clickers winner. So basically, if a subscriber opened up this email, it's gonna go to a clickers winner list. That means that when I send this and they open it up, then they're interested, all right? I can also say, if a subscriber click on this link, then it'll add these tags in there, which a tag is basically building up another list, another segment. So pretty much I can take all those people that's in that tag and I can send them anything I want because they're interested in this actually offer. So I can say clickers winner, and I'll change this to open winners. This is just an example. Open winners, clickers winners. So pretty much I'm going to focus on one thing. So I don't want to confuse you. I want to focus on the clicking on the actually offer. So everybody that clicks on this offer, they goes to the clickers winner segmentation. So I'm just going to focus on one thing. So pretty much they're going to get moved to an actually deal. I said, then remove these tags. You don't have to remove the tags. I can say remove tags. I actually can say remove heal. I can actually tell them to remove another tag, but I'll leave that blank. I'll leave that blank for now. So I'm just gonna schedule it, and voila, it's scheduled. So basically the email marketing money making is done by segmenting your list and sending to people that's interested in your offer. So this is the actual email that we have set aside. It says automation is applied. Now let me go one more spot here. Not gonna one more area. If I need to go ahead and change it, I can go to settings and go right back to where I need to go. This is exactly where we are. So if you need to go back to settings, if you need to, I'll show you that right here. Your scheduled broadcast, and you find your email and you just go right settings here. You can unschedule it. You can send a test, preview a message. If I preview a message, this is the way it looks like, which is really cool. I can unscribe myself, but I won't do that. And then I can push done there. That's the way it looks like. And I wanted to show you exactly what I'm talking about here. So let me go to subscribers, and this is what by segmentation, by segment. So pretty much when I go ahead and when people click on, when they go ahead and click on the segmentation that I was talking about, then the winners clickers will be added right there. So I just wanted to show you that real fast. And then once it's been sent out, the offer will be sent there, and then you can track your actually offer by the open rates and the click-through rates as well. And all that's going to be under your schedule. So it'll be under your schedule. Let me see. To be right under your schedule. So you go to schedule, go to broadcast, and here's your schedule ones, your send and schedule ones. So those are send, your stats, and this is your schedule ones right here. So yes, absolutely. So in a nutshell, that's how email marketing works in terms of money making with Aweber, an email autoresponder that can really help you go ahead and build a business, build a list, but segment your list and send offers. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do, if you have 100 people on your list, just send them an email. And then what you want to go ahead and do, what I showed you, is put a tag in there and say something that can identify them clicking on that offer. Then all of a sudden, out of the 100 people, how many people clicked on that offer? Name that segment, just like I did there. I said winners clicker. So for an example, let's say you put winners clicker. Only 30 people clicked on the link. Now you're somewhere. So now the 30 people, you can send them something very similar to that because they're interested in that offer. And then the other 70 people, send them something else. Maybe send them some high value. Send them something for free. Send them something to get them to, click on your email, or position your subject line as well. So I'm Adam Shelton. Don't forget, right below this video, I do have an Aweber 14-day free trial where you can go ahead and sign up for free so you can enjoy that, because Aweber is a really good email marketing software, autoresponder that can get you started, build your list. I love Aweber. It's very easy to understand. And also I did another video about email marketing with Aweber tutorial, so go ahead and watch that as well. I'm Adam Shelton. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this video, and don't forget, click on the link below this video so you can go ahead and sign up with that free trial. And I'll see you on the next video.